Bringing to your view trending news updates from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Peter Obi reveals his stance on 2027 presidential ticket. Forgets 2027 election. PDP LP chieftain tells Atiku. Now the news in detail. Labour Party presidential flag bearer in the 2023 election, Peter Obi, has said that he did not exhibit any sign of desperation to make the leadership of the party believe he craves a free ticket or special treatment ahead of the 2027 election. Obi, spoke through his media aide, Ibrahim Umar, was reacting to a recent interview where the National Publicity Secretary of the Labour Party, Obiora Ifo, denied that the party was planning to feed Peter Obi, Abia State Governor Alex Otti, and some 2023 candidates in the next poll. The rebuttal comes a few days after the factional National Publicity Secretary of the party, Abayomi Arabambi, announced that the LP would field the former Anambra State Governor to stop President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's re-election bid. When contacted to clarify if LP is truly planning to field Peter Obi in the 2027 election, the National Publicity Secretary of LP, Obiora Ifo, debunked it, while indicating that the narrative was flawed. Ifo told reporters that the report couldn't have emanated from the Julius Abure camp. However, when asked how Obi was taking the no automatic ticket threat by Abure, Umar said his principal did not bother himself with such trivialities. In other news, a member of the National Executive Committee of the People's Democratic Party, Jiran Oyedem, and a chieftain of the Labour Party, Anselm Eragbe, have warned former Vice President Atiku Abubakar against contesting the 2027 presidential election. Both Odeyemi and Eragbe said the South should be allowed to rule for 8 years. They said the 2027 Southern president might not necessarily be President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Eragbe, in an interview with the Sunday Punch, argued that Atiku shouldn't have contested the 2023 presidential election because it was the turn of the South to produce a president. He said, Atiku was not supposed to contest the 2023 presidential election because it was the turn of the Southern Nigeria. It is the turn of the South till 2031. When asked if the former vice president would breach any law if he chooses to run for the nation's highest office in 2027, Eragbe said the PDP stalwart is entitled to his ambition and aspirations, adding, however, that 2027 to 2021 is for Southern Nigeria. Being a former vice president of Nigeria for 8 years, Atiku knows Nigeria's power drill and equation. He should support younger Nigerians to power and provide guidance in 2027. According to him, the 2027 presidency shall remain in southern Nigeria and should be zoned to the South-South region. We will continue to monitor this trending news story for more new development. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.